Hello and welcome to the Knowledge Bar. My name is Jerry. I'm going to be your knowledge expert on how to use the SkipDr disc repair and cleaning system, the motorized version. Alright, so what comes inside this? First thing, most of all, you've got the SkipDr. Alright, now this is a little flexible wheel. It's got a little abrasive coat on here. It has a little slot to put the CD or a DVD in. Alright, it is motorized. It comes with a half a dozen batteries. If you could find an AC adapter, a 9-volt 1-amp model, it's kind of nice that they give you the option right there. Alright, otherwise then, we also get inside the kit a microfiber cleaning cloth. That's good, that's for cleaning it up. It comes with what they refer to euphemistically as a drying cloth. This is a paper towel. It also comes with what they refer to as the white buffing square. This feels like a small piece of chamois. Alright, and they give you 2 little bottles of some magic liquid, which turns out to be, if you read the instructions, that both bottles are filled with 99.5% distilled water and a tiny drop of rubbing alcohol. So it means it's pretty easy to get replacements for all the expendables. Alright then, so what do we do? Well, if I want to go ahead and let's say I've got a damaged CD or DVD. Alright, by the way, this does not work on Blu-rays and it does not work on the discs used in a Sony PlayStation. Alright, so keep in mind, folks, that it's actually the shiny side which is okay to get scratched, and that is to say there is actually a clear protective coat on here, so if we get small nicks and scratches, we can go ahead and buff those away using a little device like this. This is the side you have to make sure doesn't get scratched, because actually all the important stuff is on the underside of this material. That's where the little shiny metal piece is, and so you don't actually want to scratch this part. If you scratch through and you're able to see all the way through the disc, that disc is done for. But in this case, if we just got some nicks and scratches, we have some options. So we can go ahead and take a disc like this that we want to go ahead and it's not reading correctly. And according to the instructions, we go ahead and take a little spritz of the material. They call it rejuvenating fluid, but again, it's just a little water in order to go ahead and lubricate the disc when you fit it inside the motor. And we go ahead. It's going to go ahead and spin along. Notice how if you look closely in here, you'll notice how this is a flexible disc, so it's compressed. It's rubbing against the full surface of the disc. Now this is much nicer than the hand crank version, I assure you. Alright, and we're coming up on the first rotation in here, and you actually wait until it's actually spun around 2 times in order to fully polish the surface of the disc. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and stop halfway here, pull it out, and go ahead. Now, the rest of the instructions say to go ahead and put down our drying cloth and hold down with one corner and take our little buffing square and shine it up, wipe off the rest of the water. I presume there's supposedly some residue left from the polishing process, but quite frankly it looks pretty clean to me. Now, heads up, you will notice little marks on the edge. I assure you your drive is readable. Alright, this disc is readable inside your optical drive. It actually does a pretty good job. And there you go, you would have restored your disc to operational use. And that is all there is to talk about on the SkipDr. Thanks for watching.